Let's kick the old birthday list off with Emily Lehman, who is celebrating #1. And she's ready to climb a ladder at 1 year old. I'm just gonna make that point clear. Kid's got big things in her future right there. A very happy birthday to Miss Emily in Reeds.
A cute picture there. Let's see, we've got Olivia Kirkwood, 7 strong today. Great picture there of Miss Olivia in Baxter Springs with birthday love coming from Mima and Papa.
I love that bow right there. Look how colorful that is. That's awesome.
Matches her star on her shirt.
Double digits. That's right. Do not go dead red on him. He will yank that thing. That's a stance right there. That's one of those, that's a picture that you take and you show it to other kids and you're like, got the back elbow up, got the left elbow in, we're cocked and ready to roll. Groove me one, pitcher. Groove me one.
Nice.
Happy 10th birthday to Aiden Harris in Erie. Swing for the fence, kiddo.
All right, and Mira Marie King is celebrating birthday number 10 this year. In Chanute, Miss Myra is getting birthday love from family and friends today.
You notice how colorful our birthday pictures are
I've
today?
seen a lot of pink.
Yeah.
I like it.
Everybody's just wearing super bright colors. It's awesome. Drew Kotzman celebrating them. Now Drew's going the opposite way.
Yeah.
Well, but here's why. If you're gonna bag something like that, Drew, nicely done, my man. He's celebrating his 12th birthday. And Drew, you let me know when we're cooking up. And Tanya and I will be there in a heartbeat. And Drew is in Arcadia.
Well, in Moran, Kansas, Bubba Zybung turning 31 years old this year. Hope you have a wonderful birthday. With love from Mom, Dad, your brother, and sister-in-law.
Oh, you know what we love to yell? We got a boogny birthday. Miss Melissa celebrating her 36. Melissa, a very happy birthday to you.
Look at that smiling family there. Love it.
That's great.
All right, and we've got a 3rd anniversary for the McPhersons. Hunter and Emily celebrating 3 years of wedded bliss in Frontenac. And here they are pictured with their son, Jackson.
I'm a big fan of Jackson in that picture because Emily is obviously doing the selfie and she's got Hunter in there. And then whatever event that they were at, and you can tell with the animals in the background, Jackson was like, there's something way more important over there than Mom's cell phone. I love that.
Well, and that could be a little bit of reason behind the concerned look in his face.
That's
I actually was thinking that he was trying to learn to smile like Daddy, but then I realized there's a bear behind Daddy that's smiling possibly even more.
That's tremendous. All right, let's go to Columbus because that's where Amy Shanks is celebrating a birthday. A very happy birthday to Amy. Also happens to be where Colt Gregory is celebrating a birthday in Columbus as well. Colt's turning 20 today. Happy birthday. Christina Larkey, a happy 89th birthday to Miss Christina. And Richard and Barbara Frank, 48 years of marriage. Congratulations to the Frank family as they celebrate in Columbus. Happy birthday, happy anniversary.